How many fucking trees
Shorty.
here?
Wait, what's that?
Katie Guggenbach.
Katie Guggenbach. Katie, come up here. You got a door prize.
I never win anything. That's awesome.
Get up there, bitch!
This is the biggest prize of the night. Notice what the bag says on it. Now look at your prize.
Are you recording that shit?
The first whorehound. The first whorehound.
Let me see it, Katie. What's it say? Whorehound.
Show.